If you're building a new PC or looking to upgrade your current cooling setup with better airflow, quieter operation or vibrant RGB, then Corsair's latest fan lineup offers you a wide range of suitable options, and this guide will break down the latest models to help you choose the right fans and ensure compatibility. Now, like most manufacturers, Corsair offers fans in both 120 and 140mm sizes. Most are 25mm thick, but the max models are 30mm thick, offering better airflow and static pressure. Almost all PC cases nowadays are designed to fit either 120 or 140mm fans and often can accommodate both. You won't be surprised to learn that a larger fan will produce more airflow. Now, airflow is generally measured in cubic feet per minute, or CFM. An example that Corsair gives to show the difference in airflow between the two sizes is using the IQ-Link RX 140 versus the IQ-Link RX 120 tested in the same scenario. The 140mm produced 95.7 CFM when maxed out, whilst the 120mm maxes out at 74.2 CFM. So definitely worth considering larger fans if you push your hardware to the max. However, you also need to consider static pressure. Corsair points out in the same comparison that 120mm fans generally perform better in this area. With that in mind, it might be a good idea to use a mix of fan sizes, pairing 120mm fans with radiators and heat sinks where static pressure is important, and 140mm fans in areas where airflow is less restricted. Alternatively, you could go all in with high-performance max fans in either size, depending on your setup and priorities. Now, on the subject of radiators, it's important to note that you must match the radiator size to the fan size. For example, 120mm fans are not compatible with 280mm radiators. The holes simply won't line up, and forcing the screw in is never a good idea. The same is true if you were to try mounting 140mm fans to a 360mm radiator. Corsair have provided this graph to help navigate this, and we will of course add the link in the description for their guide to fans. Another important thing to note is that you must check your case's size and clearance before choosing thicker fans, as obviously it's imperative that they actually fit in. So once you've settled on the fan size, it's time to pick the most suitable options for airflow, sound, performance and aesthetics. Corsair essentially have two series, the S series, which are 4-pin smart fans with ARGB, and the X series, which are the IQ-Link fans. The S series connects via standard PWM and ARGB headers and do not require an IQ-Link hub. So these are perfect if you prefer a simpler software-light setup. Whereas the X series do need an IQ-Link hub, and now you can actually get a Commander Duo hub that accommodates both types of fans. But more on that in just a bit. So first up, we've got the RS standard 25mm fan, which comes in either black or white in 120mm, which you can buy in single or triple packs, or 140mm, which you can buy in single or double packs. They're daisy chainable via the motherboard PWM and 5V ARGB headers. These are an ideal choice for a flexible setup. Then we've got the RSR. These are basically the same as the standard RS, but with a reverse blade, allowing you to have the fans at the side of your case or the front and still get great visibility of the RGB lighting if you choose to go for that. The RSR is available in black or white and comes in triple packs. And finally, in the RS series, there's the RS Max, and these fans mean business. They're all about pure performance, and as such, they don't have any flashy RGB. And of course, it's a Max model, so it's 30mm thick. So again, do check that it'll fit in your case. This fan is all about high pressure and low noise that runs via PWM and performs exceptionally well in airflow heavy builds with high performance components. These are currently only available in black. 120mm fans are available in triple packs and 140 available in single or dual. Then it's on to the X series, and to use these you'll need a Corsair IQ-Link hub, which allows you to daisy chain your fans, reduce cable clutter and simplify control. A single hub now supports up to 24 devices, and if needed, more hubs can be added for a larger build. Most Link multi-packs include a hub, but always double check the package contents. And I mentioned a little bit earlier that Corsair now have the Commander Duo, which can dock with any IQ Link system hub. And it allows you to control both PWM and ARGB and IQ Link fans and devices all together using IQ. This simplifies fan management and solves a long-standing problem for users with both types of fans in their PCs. 2 channels are available for PWM ARGB fan control, supporting up to 6 industry standard fans per channel for a total of 12. So on to the actual series. The Link RX is your entry-level Link fan. It's available with or without RGB LEDs and it comes in black or white. It's a solid balance between airflow and static pressure. There's also a Max version of the RX available as well. Like other Max models, it's 30mm thick and is a high-performance fan with excellent airflow. If you opt for the RGB option, you get 8 LEDs on each fan, and this is a great choice if you want both performance and lighting in a deep mount setup. Then we've got the Link LX or LXR. These are mid-tier fans available in black and white, and boasting 18 RGB LEDs in a dual loop design. As you'd expect, the LX is standard orientation and the LXR is reverse blade for showing off lighting on intake fans. These fans are available in a few kits, so you can pick up exactly how many fans you need. And finally, we have the Link QX. This is the flagship fan with 34 addressable RGB LEDs and time warp lighting effects. Ideal if you want maximum RGB impact and stunning aesthetics without leaving performance on the table. These top-of-the-crop fans come in 120mm single and triple packs, whilst the 140mm option comes in single and double packs. One thing to note when you're going all-out RGB in your build is if you have lighting strips or triangle panels like the Corsair LC100, be sure to plan header usage carefully as these may share control channels with fans. So to summarise, if you want the most visually stunning setup that Corsair offers and maximum airflow, then Link QX is the go-to fan with cutting-edge lighting and strong all-round performance. If you're aiming for high airflow and silence without RGB, then the RS Max is a great choice, providing of course that it fits in your case. If you're looking for performance with customisable lighting and your case supports it, then the Link RX Max is the one for you. If your goal is a clean build with reliable performance and simple wiring, then any of the standard RS or Link RX series are suitable choices. And if side panel visibility is key, then the RSR or Link LXR fans offer lighting designed to face the viewer, even when used for intake. If you want to find out more and browse all of the Corsair fan options, then visit scan.co.uk and use the comparison tool to compare specs side by side for ease. I hope this has helped you along on your build journey, but if you do want more expert support, then do get in touch, of course, with our team here at Scan, as we're a long-standing Corsair partner and we also offer pre-configured and bespoke PC builds should you want us to do the hard work for you. You simply select your fans, layouts and lighting style to suit your needs and we do the rest.